In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email in Klaviyo. We're going to walk through how to send a one-time email campaign using the latest Klaviyo interface. This is perfect for things like announcements, promotions, newsletters, or any single send you want to get out to your audience. I'll go step by step, and you can follow along in your own account as we go. First, once you're logged into Klaviyo, look to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see an option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on Campaigns. This is the main area where all of your one-time email sends will live. At the top right, you should see a button that says Create Campaign. Click that to start setting up a new email campaign. Next, Klaviyo will ask you what type of campaign you want to create. Choose email as your campaign type, then confirm by clicking Create Campaign again. This tells Klaviyo that you're building a standard email send rather than, for example, an SMS campaign or something automated. Now you'll be taken to the campaign setup page. One of the most important pieces here is the audience. In the Send To field, you'll choose which list or segment you want to receive this email. This might be your main newsletter list, a VIP customer segment, or any other group you've already created in Klaviyo. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right list or segment, since this determines exactly who will get your message. When you're ready, click Continue to Content to move on. On the content page, start by entering your subject line. This is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it clear and compelling. You can also add preview text if you'd like, depending on your account's options. Once the subject line is set, click Edit Email to design your template. This will open the email editor, where you can customize the layout, text, images, buttons, and links. Take your time here to match your branding and make sure your message is easy to read. When you're happy with the design, look to the top right and click Done to save and exit the editor. You'll be brought back to the campaign overview. From here, click Continue to Review. On the review screen, double-check your audience, subject line, sender information, and content. If everything looks good, click Schedule or Send. You can either send the campaign right away or choose a specific date and time to send it in the future. Once you confirm, your one-time email campaign is ready to go out through Klaviyo.